Perpetual versus the 2-1 Mapua Lady Cardinals. But the Lady Cardinals have won 2 straight games. And we start with a service error by Fifi Ariola.
And for Mapua naman, I think itong game na to ay napaka-importante for them dahil naghahabol sila doon syempre sa ating rankings dito sa Group A. And grabe rin yung Group A, kung masasabi mo, Martin, iba rin yung mga teams na naglalaban-laban sa spot papunta ng quarterfinals.
Malalakas yung mga teams natin dyan. We have the 4-time defending champions as Fran Garcia scores the ace. So it's a service error and a service ace to start off the match. Freyan had 11 points previously. A slow start to the season for her, but we expect her to pick up her scoring. Omipon from behind. There you go, Torica Blanca, who is checked right away. But she saves it. Almeñana on the approach. Rebustes with a pancake save. Liabres challenging the blockers. Rally continues here. Oh! Walang kumuha ng second ball.
Usually, Martin, yung mga ganong bola pa yung medyo mahirap kunin. Kasi expected mo malakas yung palo eh. But this time, top spin. Doon lang sa may bandang gitna bumagsak yung bola.
Di ba ni... Was it Menor who changed up her approach? Gavika. Liabres! Ooh, breaking through the blockers.
Wow!
Alex Liabres.
May konting silip pa. Mula kay Alex Liabres pagkatapos.
What a great timing and a powerful hit para kay Liabres. Actually, second-year player itong si Liabres. But kung gumalaw siya, parang senior player na ng Mapua.
Ariola brings it over to Omipon. You're right. Eto siya ngayon, no? Liabres na naman!
Through the block, Alex
Back-to-back points for Liabres.
And you see Mapua starting off with a lot of confidence.
Tama.
Dahil yung kalawan nila dito, no? Committed na committed. Which is exactly what you need against Perpetual.
Yeah, and since nakakadami na tayo ng games, Martin, I'm sure itong mga players na to, meron na sila tinatawag na sense of urgency dito sa ating first round.
And this has been the style in the season for Fifi Ariola. Set 1 pa lang, binibigyan na niya yung kanyang mga gitna. Liabres, siya pa rin pupuntahan. And she is able to score off a net touch committed by Perpetual. Let's see. It was Palacio, according to our official, who touched the net. So an early lead for Mapua.
Rica Blanca.
Starting off fast. Ariola, quick play. Will not drop. Liabres at the net. Siya naman yung sumabit.
Yeah. Ay, konting gigil lang paminsan-minsan. But I like her attitude. Iba yung ano niya, iba yung focus niya.
At saka alam mo yung mindset niya dito. Parang kahit yun, di ba? Dikit na sa net yung pagkakabigay sa kanya. Pero sabi, papaluin ko pa rin. Power pa rin. Ooh! Service ace. Unleashed by Almeñana.
Miscommunication para sa kapunan ng Mapua.
And this is how quickly Perpetual can come back.
The Lady Altas are down by 1.
Isa na lang hinahabol nila. Rebustes. Rica Blanca dug up. Joust is won by Yabut. Tinulak na lang ni Omipon. Gavika over to Liabres again. Down the line this time.
Down the line, Alex
Another point para kay Liabres. As we can see, iba yung tingin niya sa net and sa blockers. Talaga naghahanap siya ng kung saan niya pwedeng palusutin. And from time to time, kung wala naman siya lulusutan, babasagin niya yung mga blockers.
Wow! Ooh, and following it up with an ace.
If I'm not mistaken, meron na yata siyang 4 points dito sa ating first set.
Wow. Alex Liabres came out to play.
7-4.
Matching that zone 1 spot. Confirmed 4 points na si
Long.
Liabres.
Service went out.
But this will end her stint at the service line.
High risk, high reward para dito sa bata na to. Iba yung ano niya, iba yung
Now on the
tapak
serving
niya.
deck, Shai Umipon.
At kahit ganun don't expect that to change. Yan ang magiging mindset niya ngayong araw na to. As we see
That's
that,
a point for
we could
Perpetua.
consider that a kill block for Perpetual.
Yep.
6 serving 7. Shai Umipon.
Umipon to serve.
Kinuha ni Abut. They go to Rica Blanca, who was unable to take it properly. And this is Jemalyn Menor
Hits the end line.
with a spike.
Yep. One of the players to watch out para sa kupunan ng Perpetual.
We are now tied at 7.
And medyo nakakatakot dito kay Menor. Tahimik lang siya. Usually, Alemanya kasi yung nagtitake charge para sa Perpetual. But kapag kailangan din ng point, meron sila Menor na pupuntahan.
Right
Sa
side,
kabila
Rica
naman,
Blanca.
merong Rica Blanca na pupuntahan itong Mapua. And they're first to the technical timeout. They're ahead by 1. Pagbalik po natin, we'll hear a report from Aaron D.
Welcome you back to the continuing coverage of the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Martin, always great to be back working with you. And John Vic, looking forward as well na makasama kita for the first time. Now coming into this game, it's a battle for the #1 spot in Group A, but the Perpetual Lady Altas are not content with anything. Despite having that 3-0 record, nakausap ko nga yung team captain nila na si Charis Enrico, and she told me that they are not trying to recreate what happened last year where they started 6-0 but failed to make the Final Four. Ika nga niya na ang biggest lesson nila is kung paano i-maintain yung start nila. Meanwhile, on the other end for Mapua, Coach Aying Esteban isn't buying into anything extra. Wala naman kaming gagawin na extraordinary today. Basta stick lang kami sa system. Masaya ako sa ginagawa ng mga players ko because sila talaga ang nagde-decide what to do within the system. Now for our injury report, only Lagmay of Perps is out today. And that's according to head coach Sandy of Perpetual. Balik sa inyo, Martin and John Vic.
Salamat. Aaron, medyo na-touch sa'yo si John Vic
Naiiyak
kanina.
ako. Pero thank you so much report. And usually sa Perpetual kasi ang ganda ng start nila last season. But again, this is a different format ng game natin and magkakaroon talaga ng changes. While dito naman sa kupunan ng Mapua, as we take a look, a point galing dito sa kupunan ng Mapua with Garcia. Yung sinasabi ni Coach Aying na wala kaming gagawing extra. Ang ganda kasi nung flow ng team. It's just that hindi lang sila maka-finish. Yung panapos lang ang kulang dito sa Mapua. And we'll see kung this time, this game ay mailalabas nila yung panapos na hinahanap.
Yun yung area na sinusubukan pang i-improve itong Mapua Lady Cardinals. Yung tibay, lalo na sa mga end of set, sa mga crucial stretch. Jemalyn Menor with 3 points already here in the first. And she continues to find the open spots on the other side.
Diba? Not the most powerful hit, pero smart para dito kay Menor.
Almeñana beating the blockers that time. So Perpetual will score another point. Ay Almeñana.
Pero sa kupunan ng Mapua, meron silang challenge, floor touch. Sige nga, tingnan natin kung talagang nag-touch na ba ng bola before pa nakuha or talagang na-save itong defense ng Mapua.
And Coach Aying will use this time to gather his troops. Dahil nadikitan na sila dito ng Perpetual after leading it by 3 early on.
From technical timeout.
Technical timeout. Okay. May floor touch ba
Actually, minsan yung ano natin, yung challenge natin, Martin, ginagamit ng coaches yan not because kailangan nila makita kung may maling call ba, but usually they use it as timeout.
Yeah. Oo, pwede.
O, di ba?
Yun
Additional
yung,
timeout for the team.
Tactical challenge. Okay, so no floor touch. It's a clear pancake for Gemaline Menor. So unsuccessful challenge. One remaining for Coach Aing Esteban. Now, this allows Perpetual to take over the lead in the opening set. And Fifi Ariola will start again. Si Lagmay, you know, despite being the only subtraction in this game, malaki yan. Dahil in the previous matches, she really sets the tone, especially scoring-wise in the middle. Yung mga quicks nilang dalawa. Ito ni Ariola.
Tama. And yung connection ng dalawa, in fairness kay Ariola, yung quicker talaga pinipit niya from time to time para lang magkaroon sila ng chance na makapaglaro pag nagkaroon na sila ng combination play.
Lahat naman nabibigyan, pero ang pinaka-productive dun sa mga quick na yon, si Lagmay.
Si Lagmay.
But Fran Garcia commits the service error.
So in short, kapag player ka, i-close mo, ang pinaka-close mo dapat yung center mo.
Tama.
Kasi maraming bola ibibigay sa'yo at maganda yung connection yung dalawa.
Libre mo, mag-bonding kayo. Diba? Mag-ano kayo. Lahat na. Bonding kayo sa school, gawin mo yung assignment niya.
Mag-thesis partner ka.
Oh,
or,
yeah. Para matibay yung connection nyo on and off the court. Because it translates.
Yeah,
Proven naman yan.
totoo
Translate.
naman yan.
Diba? On the go long. Her serve bounce off the net. Quick. At Cerise Enrico able to put it down.
Again, for Ariola, her main attacker, lalo na kapag nagsistart itong game, ay ang kanyang mga middle blockers.
And they also get a very good server in Enrico. Oh, Iabut. Change her approach. Omipon. Rebustes saving it. Liabres.
Wow.
Catching a spot on that long ball.
Sent to the end line. We're still tied at 12.
Napaka-explosive nitong si Liabres. And to think, meron tayong Rica Blanca, but sa napapansin natin itong first set, si Liabres ang nagtitake charge for Mapua.
Meron na siyang 5 puntos. This is a chance ball. Ariola to Palacio. Again, it's the middles connecting for Perpetual.
Great timing by Palacio. And kung mapapansin natin, Martin, basta magkaroon ng chance, itong Perpetual makakuha from attack ng Mapua, nagkakaroon sila ng, ng play middle agad ang pinupunta ni Ariola.
That's right. Eto, siya na yung nagdala sa kabila. Omipon. Oh, dug up by Freyan. There's a joust. Overreach.
Yep.
This is on Palacio.
That was reaching beyond the net.
Well,
Inside the Perpetual.
sa akin, sa nakita ko, Martin, hindi pa mag-over yung bola dahil medyo mababa pa sa net yung tawid. But, syempre, anticipation itong mga players, itong si Palacio ay mag-over. So, minsan hindi talaga nakakalculate masyado itong mga middle blockers.
Kasi ano yun overpass pero
Hindi pa tumatawid.
hindi pa tumatawid. Tama. At aabutan pa ni Gavica. Pass to Omipon right here. Headshot. Shy Omipon with some power.
Well, nakatapat naman dun si Liabres. Nadepensahan niya naman. Kaso, yung pagtama ng bola ay nandito sa may upper part ng arm. So, ang tendency talaga magbabounce dun sa kanyang baba.
Scramble. Mapupunta sa Mapua. Iabut. Perpetual thinking that it did not go over. Pero nabigyan ng chance doon si Freyan Garcia.
We're tied at 14. Garcia with a powerful hit.
You saw Ariola and Palacio
Palacio.
contesting the Yabut attempt
Yeah,
kanina.
Too long.
But there was a
Service
check. There was a check ball. So I think kahit i-challenge nila yon, makikita pa rin sa challenge na tumama doon sa blocker.
Na may block touch.
May black touch.
So si Palacio
And to
naman
serve,
ngayon ang nasa likod. That means
Palacio.
the front line will feature Enrico and Menor for Perpetual.
And if there's one thing na lacking for Mapua is their service.
Yeah.
Ilang service errors na, I think 3 service errors na yung binibigyan nila sa kupunan ng Perpetual.
And we'll credit this point
It's the second technical timeout of
to
the
Cha
first set.
Enrico. Nataplisan
Score,
lang.
16 for
Pero bumaba yung bola. 16-14. Let's go to this break. Back to the coverage. Perpetual turning things around completely here in the first set. Sir Frank Ducey Jr., Mancom representative ng University of Perpetual Health System Delta right there at the audience area. And his team is ahead 16-14. Palacio starts us
It's
off
now 16,
in this
serving
rally.
14.
So let's see if Mapua can adjust accordingly to what Perpetual is giving them. They go back to Freyan, who scores off the block.
hands, Freyan Garcia.
This is the chairman of the Season 101 Management Committee, Sir Melchor Divina from our host school of the entire season,
To
Mapua
start the
University.
play, it's Jen Gavica.
Gavika to start us off. Mapua down by a point. Kinuha ni Almeñana. Enrico. Rebustes ang nag-set up kay Rica Blanca. Not that time. Menor will try down the line. Dug up. Rica Blanca tries again. Off speed will not work. Menor. Nasa likod naman si Liabres. Freyan Garcia.
Down the line, Freyan Garcia.
Alam mo, nakaka-impress itong
set is
open
now
spiker
tied at
ng
16.
Mapua. Meron kang Liabres, meron kang Garcia, at meron kang Rica Blanca for opposite.
Gavica to serve.
Hindi malabo
16-all.
para sa Mapua na magtuloy-tuloy ang semifinals kung maging maganda lang yung magiging ipapakita nila dito sa game na to.
Promising, ano?
Oo.
Yung rotation nila dyan sa
Smart
spikers.
drop,
But
Jem Menor.
Perpetual also has their own arsenal. Dito sa set na to, it's Gemaline Menor picking up from where she left off in the last game where she scored 13 points.
And in fairness dito sa kupunan ng Perpetual, marami silang shot selection. Di ba? Hindi sila laging power. May mga times na kailangan drop ball, off the block, top spin. Yun na yung mga nakita natin sa first set pa lang, Martin.
Iba-iba yung mga
Oo.
approach at lahat ng spiker nila nag-a-adjust. Oh, this is an
Mapua.
error
Yeah.
on the side of Mapua.
And kung meron mang bagay na nakakapagpa-down ng moral nito Mapua, yun yung kanilang mga errors, Martin.
Unforced
Serving
errors.
set for Perpetua.
Now
Fifi
piling
Ariola.
up sa side ng Lady Cardinals. Talaba ulit ang hinahabol nila dito. They bring it back to Rica Blanca who scores.
Raisa Rica Blanca from the right wing.
17-18 now.
Great timing naman sa blockings para kay Menor and Enrico, but siyempre na-discartehan ni Rica Blanca na mapatawid yung bola sa may bantang gitna.
So Freyan Garcia will start with the serve. Lozano passing it to Ariola, over to Almeñana. Rebustes digging it up. Ooh, back row push. Did not go through.
That's a double contact for the side of the board.
It was actually a good play, Martin.
Ah,
Tamo, walang blocker sana doon, no? Or kung meron man, isa, but Yun nga. Sometimes may miscommunication between the setters and the spikers.
19-17.
Oh, Gavika had difficulty tracking it down. Almeñana down the line.
Sai Almeñana.
Zone 5 hit for
Mapua calls for
Skirin
timeout.
Almeñana. And we have a timeout on the floor dahil takdo na ang abante dito ng Lady Altas.
Hindi hinahanap ko yung magsalita. Eh, hindi ka nagsasalita. Talaga magugulat ka dun sa set. Di ba? Yung pasa natin, nagwawal. Hinihintay nila naman to. Tamaan nila ng tamaan. Gagawa ng paraan ng setter. Kung mag-ready kayo dun sa atake nyo. Okay, go.
Isa-isa lang tayo! Ready card na!
Well, Martin, sa totoo lang, itong frustration na nagagaling kay Coach Aying is from their errors. Kumbaga, hindi naman dadating sa puntong ganito yung magiging galawan itong Mapua kung sana yung responsibility ng team ay mas smooth sana.
20 serving 17.
And gaya ng sabi ko kanina, itong Perpetual, grabe yung adjustments nila. Makapunto sa Mapua, adjust sila, makakuha sila ng bola from attack ng Mapua, meron silang counter-attack. Either malakas o mahina.
Ito, parte ng adjustment nila.
Substitution.
Yung bantayan, itong si Raisa Ricablanca. And there is now a 4-point lead for Perpetual. First entry
Versus in.
for Mapua's two-way player. Itong si Nadine Berces.
And knowing Perpetual, they have tall players. So kung bibigyan mo sila ng chance ball or miss ball, talaga makaka-posisyon ng maayos itong mga blockers.
Umipon. Rebustes. They go to Nicole Long for that power tip.
Nicole Long.
So that stops the bleeding for the Lady Cardinals.
Yep. Siguro malesen lang errors ng Mapua, makakahabol sila dito sa Perpetual.
On to serve.
Long will start.
Team 21.
Ariola. Combination. Almeñana
Off
connects.
the hand. Sai Almeñana.
Ito na. Nagpakawala na ng patong play. Itong Perpetual Lady Altas.
That's the reward when you feed your middle blockers
Back at the
from
serving
the start
deck.
of the
Shot
game.
to go.
Exactly. Dahil threat na sila sa opensa. Liabres. Bumalik. Still alive. Rica Blanca sends it over. They go back to Almeñana, who
the
puts it
hands.
through.
Sai Almeñana.
Meron talaga itong Perpetual na magaling na setter.
Exactly.
She really knows the opposite setting na tinatawag. Ang opposite setting, Martin, para sa mga nanonood, kung saan pumunta yung bola, dun mo sa kabila ibibigay.
Yeah.
Yun ang opposite setting. Kung saan malayo and hindi ina-expect ng mga blockers na dun mo ibibigay. Which is itong si Ariola, ina-apply niya para dito sa kanyang mga teammates.
Para mapuwersa yung blockers na mag-adjust pumunta sa kabila.
Oo.
Kasi yun yung expected nila, yung kung saan pupunta yung bola, doon din sa set up. And again, unpredictable yung ibibigay pa sa kabila.
And once na nabigyan ng opposite setting, itong mga spiker, mahihirapan ngayon yung mga blockers kasi mas malayo yung kailangan nilang tawidin para pupunta doon sa kabilang bola.
And Palacio, of a nice pass by Lozano, allowing that setup for Ariola to Palacio. Set point dito sa ating opening set. And Liabres saving one set point for Mapua.
20-24.
Ang lutong ng follow, Martin.
7 points for Liabres, continuing her hot start.
Substitution for
But
Mapua.
Mapua
Number 15 out,
let go of the
number
rope
3.
midway through.
Kaya
Kaya to si Kayanan. She checks in to serve. Svet Kayanan. Another new player in the fold for Coach Aying. Palacio, naabangan ni Abut. Kept up, but not over.
Fifi
So Perpetual
Ariola.
takes care of set number 1.
What a great start for Perpetual. And I would say, itong first set ay dahil sa magandang diskarte nitong kanilang setter na si Ariola.
At siya rin yung tumapos nung first set. Siya naman yung umatake. 25-20, Perpetua takes a 1-0 lead. Welcome back to the coverage. After the first set, Perpetual pocketing a 1-0 lead. Ito yung nangyari, John Vic. Actually, it was Mapua who had the better start in this match. Pero yung Perpetual, unti-unti nakabalik at nag-take over sa laban.
Well, I think itong mga veteran players ng Perpetual is nagtitake charge para sa kanilang kupunan. Kasi kung makikita natin itong first set natin, ang ganda nung start nga, Mapua. But pagdating dun sa middle and end part nitong first set, medyo nagkaroon ng struggle itong Mapua na makarecover agad. And I think yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, ibibigay ko tong first set para dito sa kanilang setter na si Ariola dahil grabe yung pagpapaikot niya ng mga players. Isa na lang ang posisyon na hindi ko nakikita, Martin, is yung back row. Most of the plays, may A-quick, may combination play na A-kaliwa, may opposite and opener, nabigyan lahat. And I think kung meron man nagkukulang sa Mapua, yes, their consistency and less error.
That's right. And yung sinabi mo, nagamit na ni Fifi Ariola halos lahat ng nasa playbook niya. And that allowed more unpredictability, especially on the offense of Mapua. That's why they're this potent. 16 attack points in that set 1.
And I am surprised na yung errors na binigay ng parehong team ay parehas. But kung makikita natin sa atake, lamang ng 3 points itong Perpetual. And meron silang 2 blocks and 1 and meron naman tig-isang aces ito Mapua and Perpetual. And again, dito sa laban na to, Martin, kasi nagdidikta nito yung consistency ng ginagalaw ng team.
And you feel the errors of Mapua more because of when they happened. Usually, pag nagke-create sila ng momentum, sinusubukan nilang bumalik. Again, they were down 2 points midway through. Pero hindi nila ma-break yung barrier na yon dahil nag-error sila pagkatapos.
Tama. Dun sa right after nung first technical timeout natin, error plus biglang lumamang na itong Perpetual. And yun ang masakit para sa Mapua dahil 3 points lang naman ang pagitan. But nag-matter to yung first set para sa Perpetual.
And Cyril Almiliana will start us off with her 6th point in the match. Ito si Almiliana exploded for 45 points in her first 2 matches. Kaya kaabang-abang talaga yung magiging performance sa kada laban. Nicole Long able to get it through.
Yep, merong touch net sa kupunan ng Perpetual. But yung mga players, hindi nila alam kung sino yung nag-commit ng touch net.
So nakita ng mga officials natin. By the way, our referees today, first referee Antonio Espartero and second referee Ray Galve. Rica Blanca overcooking it.
Too strong for Rica Blanca.
So the struggles continue here for Mapua. Even their spikers are committing attack errors.
Yep. And well, ako ina-expect ko na sa mga high-performing athletes, especially kung ikaw lagi ang number 1 attacker sa kupunan nyo, mas mataas din yung percentage ng error, but kailangan mas mataas pa rin yung percentage ng successful points para mas magandang tingnan kumbaga.
Pero dito sa second set, Nicole Ong Nagsisimula ng magparamdam para sa Mapua. Palacio able to tip it in.
Off-speed good.
Wide open hole in the middle of that campfire for the Lady Cardinals.
Yun ang inuulit-ulit ko, Martin. Ang maganda dito sa Perpetual, even the middle blockers, they adjust depending on the blockers. Kung paano pumosisyon itong mga blockers ng Mapua. Talagang alam nila yung selection ng play, kung kailan sila papalo at kung kailan sila maglalagay ng bola.
Yeah. This is a chance ball for the Lady Altas. Omipon kinargahan, but she was denied one more time for Shai.
Wow.
And a kill block for Mapua.
Sent back by Mapua.
What a great timing para kay Diandra Yabut and Rica Blanca.
Yeah, this is their first kill block in the match.
To serve. Into the net.
And another service error for Mapua. And we have been mentioning this since the first set. Yun yung pinag-usapan natin going into the second set. They need to minimize those. Liabres off the block.
Off the hands. Alex Liabres.
So Alec Liabres continuing to challenge the net defense of Perpetual. And again, this has been her staple. Papadaanin niya kay Ariola.
Ito, yan yung iba yung mentality ng isang player. Lalo na kung nagpapasa ka, kung saan ka mas makaka-advantage pagdating sa atake.
Yeah. Ito naman si Freyan. Went under.
Attempt went out.
Check ball. They'll review it.
Yep.
There's a challenge on
Because
the ball by Mapua for
The initial
block
call
shots.
was outside.
Ayan, umaamin na
Umami
sila.
na.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's an admission
Yeah,
of
good to
faults.
see.
The challenge has been reviewed.
Honest players. Siyempre,
Honesty.
para na rin siguro hindi maputol yung momentum natin dito sa set 2. Oh, that's a good serve. Ooh! Miscue lang between Perpetual or their players. Lozano brings it over to Menor. And Menor breaks through the double block.
Well, again, Menor. One of the most unexpected scorer. Well, hindi naman dahil hindi mo siya in-expect na mag-score. Pero lagi siyang nagbibigay ng surprise.
Di mo
Lalo-
alam yung approach niya, no? Kasi kanina, first set, dami niyang off-speed eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Di na siya
Freyan
kumarga.
Garcia.
Okay, so Freyan Garcia connects.
Down the line hit para kay Garcia. And this is the second time na lumawak na itong Perpetual sa ating second set.
6-5.
Mapua.
Mapua, yeah. Yabut. Then Lozano picking it up well. Kept alive by Gavica. Rica Blanca. Menor's turn. Deflected. Gavica with a 1-2 play. Not gonna work. Menor tries to push. And this time,
Good push.
she scores.
Menor.
Again.
Ano si Gemaline Menor? Look at this.
Now at the
You
super
know,
deck for the
have to
Lady
work
Altas.
with a lot of
Kiki Ariola.
broken plays. Pero ito, nagawa niya ng paraan.
Alam mo kung meron akong player na kinakatakutan sa mga ganitong klaseng tournament, yung ganyang klase kay Menor.
Yeah.
Kasi unpredictable siya. Minsan nasisira yung momentum mo, minsan nasisira yung positioning mo, minsan nasisira yung blocking positioning. So talagang nakakapag-iba siya ng game ng player.
Kailangan mo siyang, every time umaatake siya, kailangan mo pag-isipan.
Oo.
Mas masakit pa ang ulo mo dahil hindi lang siya yung kailangan mong isipin
Totoo.
dun sa team. Diba? Freyan Garcia with 7 points, by the way. Tipped over. Gavica. Mapua has a chance. Patong play na naman para
From
kay
the right
Almeñana.
side, Almeñana.
An advantage combination play para sa Perpetual. And I think meron din ako hinahanap dito sa koponan ng Mapua is yung kanilang combination play. Parang wala pa ako masyado nakikita, Martin.
Wala pa.
Menor to
Oo.
serve. 7-0.
If, ano pa lang, mga regular na quicks and open opposite yung nabibigyan dito ni Gavika. Wow! Almeñana down the line. And that will bring us to our first technical timeout dito sa ating second set. Cyril Almeñana nakabuelo and catching a spot right there at zone 5 on the other side of the break. We'll hear a report from Aaron D.
Back here for set number 2 of this matchup between the Mapua Lady Cardinals kontra dito sa Perpetual Lady Altos. Martin and John Vic, natuwa naman ako earlier na na-touch si John Vic dun sa pagbati ko. But now let's talk about Gem Menor, who's been a key and consistent piece of this unbeaten Perpetual Lady Altos squad. But coming into this season, it wasn't all easy para kay Gem Menor as she was suffering from patellar tendonitis in the off-season. She told me nga na napanghinaan siya ng loob because of that injury, and every single time natatalon siya, sasakit yung tuhod niya. Sinipagan ko talaga yung therapy ko. Kahit masakit, tiniis ko siya. And now coming into this season, Gem Menor is looking to use those off-season challenges to take the Perpetual Lady Altos a step further than they did last year. Just before I end this report, want to give a shout out to one of our analysts, Gaira Baroga, watching right now. Sana masarap ang ulam mo today, Gaira. Back to you, Martin and John Vic.
Ba yun ah?
Sana all masarap ang ulam.
May ano, may... Teka lang ah. Sige, sige. We can talk about it off air. But that's a story about Gemelin Menor. It's another comeback story for a Perpetual player. Pwede mo sabihin, hindi nagme-menor si...
Hindi nagme-menor si Menor.
Si Menor, di ba? Dahil meron pala siyang injury sa tuhod nung off-season na similar to, well, not as, you know, maybe as worse as what Almeñana had, but kinailangan mag-PT neto ni Menor para maalis completely yung pain dyan sa kanyang tuhod. And it's hard, John Vic. You know that.
Yeah.
Di ba? Napagdaanan mo rin yan as a spiker na lagi kang tumatalo ng ganyan.
And prone talaga sa injury usually mga spikers natin. And compared to any other sport, volleyball is, I think, ito yung sport na medyo kailangan alagaan mabuti yung kalusugan mo.
Yeah.
Dahil kung spiker ka, madalas at from time to time, talon ka ng talon.
That's right. And yun eh, extremes kasi.
Yeah.
Yung gather mo, yung talon mo, and to swing like that, you know, it creates a lot of stress in your body. So you really need to take care of your body. Ito si Palacio, activated right here by Fifi Ariola. 10-all here in the second set. It remains close, and it's a service ace for Cyril Almeñana.
Another point para sa Perpetual. And grabe. Di ba si Almeñana, no? Marami siyang puntos sa attack. Pati ba naman sa serve, meron na din siyang puntos.
At 10th point na yan, neto ni Almeñana.
10 points. Grabe.
And we're just in the second set here. Omipon was red at the net. Almeñana off the D-ball. Wow.
Hits the end line.
Cyril Almeñana connecting even from behind the line.
Yep. Eh, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, wala silang back row play. Pero ito, pag may chance na magkaroon ng miss ball sa Perpetual, nabibigyan din ng opportunity itong mga back row player na makapuntos. But, wow.
Opposite daw.
Yeah.
Opposite din daw ang panlaban dito ng Mapua. Raisa Ricablanca winding up and putting it down.
Back at the service
11 to 12 now. Ricablanca will start from the back. Omipon tips it over. Wow. Great effort by Ricablanca to save it.
Wow.
And the dig will go out.
Miscommunication for Perpetual.
12 all. Dikitan pa rin tayo dito. Let's see if Mapua can take advantage of this momentum. That's inside.
Inside, yeah,
Yeah.
inside.
Rica Blanca on the line.
There's a
Yeah, I thought
challenge
it
on
was
the call.
outside, but
for ball in,
hindi ko
ball out.
bumaba yung bola eh.
Yeah.
Nagulat din ako.
Kaya nilet go na ng mga players ng Perpetual. Okay. Silipin natin itong ball in, ball out. Alam mo, first time kong marinig i-shoutout yung isang analyst ng courtside.
Yeah. Must be special.
Oo, no? Oo, no? Tama, tama. Ito yung Mapua.
Balik. Ayan. As we can see the Perpetual celebrating. Pero focus.
Aha.
Ayun oh. Yeah, inside.
Saktong-sakto. Oh, it's great for Raisa Rica Blanca. And again, you can't fault the Mapua players or the Perpetual players for letting it go.
Yeah.
Kasi they had, you know, a good judgment of the ball na, ay, teka, baka mahaba itong serve.
Even ako, Martin, kala ko outside na.
Yeah. Palacio. Kavika, her turn to spike. Inangat ni Lozano. Omipon. Back to Shai Omipon.
Shai Omipon.
Blanca crashing to the boards.
It was a great run para dito sa Mapua. 3 straight points.
Let's see what happened here. Shai Omipon on the retake.
Omipon to serve.
Si Shai playing like a real veteran for Perpetual this year as Liabres pounds that in. Menor, off-speed attack was dug up. Quick by Yabut. Menor with some power this time.
Jan Menor.
Well, I think itong si Menor, dahil katapat niya ito si Gayika, as much as possible, doon niya papadaanin yung bola.
Yeah. And again, it's another
14.
change up in her approach.
Yeah.
Initially, it was off speed. Doon, kinargahan niya. Yabut! Surprising everybody from Perpetual side.
Yabut.
What a great set para kay Gabika to Yabut. Oh, walang blocker, no?
Alex Liabres to serve for
Hindi
Mapua.
nakatao doon si Palacios. Yabut had a clean hit. Oh, that's a sharp serve. Went over.
Up, yeah.
Lumabas.
Outside. A
So-
service ace para dito sa Mapua. But I think
Plus
itong
one,
Mapua,
Mapua.
itong Perpetual side, meron silang kino-contest na inside pa naman daw. Yung tawid ng bola, but hindi ginrant
Sa
itong
lab-
ano.
yeah. Sa labas ba ng antena dumaan, ano?
Well, I think sa
15.
labas.
Serving 14.
So 15-14 Liabres. Jump serve. Menor. Again, Gemelin Menor
Kaya,
on
Jen
point
Menor.
with those down the line hits.
di ba? Kung ako din yung player, tapos medyo mababa yung blocker, doon niya sa ibabaw pinadaan.
And again, she had a smaller Gavika in front of her.
Geraldine Palacio to serve.
And I think yan yung disadvantage kapag maliit yung setter.
Umipon ang pumasa kay Menor.
Touch net. Yep.
Touch Mapua.
It's on Mapua, so it'll allow Perpetual to get in front, 16-15. Exciting action here in the second set. At kaya nga, Alice, magbabalik po kami. Welcome back to the coverage. Our fans inside the San Andres Sports Complex. And fans from both schools here in our first game. Meron na rin konti para dun sa second game natin mamaya, Arellano kontra EAC. And itong venue natin, malapit sa mga schools natin dito sa NCAA, including Perpetual. Of course, their players are coming from Las Piñas.
Yeah.
It's now
Malapit-lapit,
16
pwede
to
kang
15.
mag-skyway, ano?
Oo. May access na, kumbaga.
Yan.
Too short.
And service error. That serve was a little low for Palacio. So mabibigyan ng tsansa itong Mapua. Yabut to
Yabut
start.
to serve.
Ariola. Menor. That one was deflected. Pero Mapua, chance po lang ibabalik. Back to Menor they go. Gavika choosing Freyan this time, who was denied.
Point.
And
Fifi
no coverage
Ariola.
para dito sa kupunan ng Mapua. Great block timing para kay Ariola.
And serving for the Lady Altas.
Yun nagiging problem
Ariola.
lang, Martin. Paminsan-minsan itong mga spiker, iniisip nila papatay sila eh. So kailangan meron tulong ng teammates nila when it comes to coverage.
Yung suporta sa likod. Liabres over to Garcia.
Outside.
Too strong
strong.
for Garcia. Double down.
So dalawa ang abante dito ng Perpetual. And this is usually the point in the set where they take over after the technical timeout.
Ariola to serve. 18-16.
Ariola with a sharp one. Rica Blanca. Oh, Almiñana was checked by Garcia. Buhay pa to. There's an error, but on the side of Perpetual.
That is a reach beyond the net at the side
Yeah,
of Perpetual.
I'm not sure if kung ano yung magiging tawag ng first referee. But kung ako magre-replay, yung ball ay tumawid na sa part ng Perpetual. So I think
It's now 17, serving 18.
17 to 18. Jamgavica, setter of Mapua to start. Ariola to Almiñana. Aabutan pa ni Liabres.
good save para kaya
Bounced off the net.
Sai Almiñana.
And it's good for
With
Almiñana.
a steep cross court.
19-17. There's a timeout
For timeout.
for Coach Aying Esteban.
Bibilisan yung set, di ba? So ano gagawin nyo? Bagalan yung galaw o bibilisan nyo rin yung galaw? So yung tempo nila doon sa atake nila, bilisan din yung tempo ng pwesto nyo doon sa depensa nyo. Ngayon, kung papanoorin nyo, naiiwan kayo, puntahan nyo lang, kahit ikat nyo lang yung depensa. Kahit hindi nyo puntahan yung base, basta pagdating doon sa may atake niya, naandun kayo sa, nyo, sa pwesto nyo. Huwag nyong iwan. Kasi doon lang at doon lang babagsak yun. Okay?
on point. Tama yung sinasabi ni itong si Coach Aying Martin dahil binigyan kayo ng positioning pagdating sa defense. It's just that hindi nyo pinupuntahan yung posisyon nyo agad-agad. So kapag umatake yung kalaban, doon sa posisyon nyo na dapat nandun kayo, makukuha nyo yung bola, hindi kayo agad pumwesto.
May delay, ano?
Yeah.
So tignan natin kung ma-address to ng Mapua. Wow! Rica Blanca,
Powerball, Raisa
With a sharp
Rica
hit.
Blanca.
18-19. They needed this.
Yep. Wow.
Opposite set, papunta kay Rica Blanca. And she converts.
Freddy Garcia to serve.
Si
18
Freya na
to
magsisimula
19.
dito. Already has 9 points in the match. Menor with a good first ball. Kaya lang, yung
That's an
bigay kay
attacker.
Umipon, tumikit sa net.
And it's very rare na makita mo si Ariola na mag-commit ng ganong kasimpleng setting error
It's now tied
para
at
sa kupunan ng
19.
Perpetual. And we're tied at 19. Ito na Martin,
Still
tingnan
at
natin
serving
kung
deck.
nandito na yung
Freya
hinihintay
Garcia.
nating panapos ng Mapua.
Ariola, underhand give. Wow!
Powerball, Sai
Almiñana puts it
Almiñana.
down.
Grabe si Almiñana, no? mapaganda o mapapangit yung set, gagawa niya ng paraan.
Oo. Kita mo yan, oh. Medyo dikit na ng konti sa net. Parang yung running spike niya kanina.
Yeah.
Diba?
And I think it was her favorite spot, yung
Ah.
down the line.
Correct.
Kasi nakakailang palo na siya dun sa down the line kanina.
Yeah.
Ball
So,
out.
ball out. Perpetual, service ahead, 21-19. Dalawang sunod para sa Perpetual. At 13 puntos na
Enrico to serve.
ang iniaabag ni
21-19.
Sai Almeñana. Enrico Gavica to Nicole Ong.
Slide.
Only a matter of
Nicole
time
Ong.
for Mapua to activate their middle.
And for sure, badly needed na para sa Mapua University. Itong crucial dito sa ating second set.
Nicole Ong to serve.
Kaya pinupuntahan na nila yung mga veteran players and senior players nila.
Isa ang abante. Dalawa
Through the
ulit.
block side,
Almeñana
Almeñana.
adding on to her total. 22-20 is the tally. Perpetual looking good.
She's unstoppable.
And to serve, Sai Almeñana.
Liabres will try. Good reaction from Minor. Omipon push. Gavica over to Rica Blanca. Covered. Omipon. Oh!
Shai Omipon ends the exchange.
Yep.
So Shai Omipon scores.
Another point para kay Shai Omipon.
Mapua calls for a ceasefire.
Napatawag ng timeout ito si Coach Aying.
Favor of Perpetual.
Masyado na sinabi na pabagalin lang yung bola. Huwag nga tayo, masibiyaan mo silang mabilis. Tempo nila yun eh. May sarili tayong tempo. Huwag tayo makipagmabilisan. Ang pinabibilis ko lang sa inyo is yung way kung paano kayo dumipensa. Kasi nga, mabilis yung setting nila. Pero yung tempo ng opensa natin, yung tempo ng depensa, yun pa rin yung sa atin. Huwag niyong iibahin. Okay? Alec, kailangan kasi mag-penetrate yung kamay mo. Hindi mo mablock pag hindi mag-penetrate yung kamay mo.
One stop, isa mo na. May lady cardinal!
Napaka-specific instructions from Coach Aying. Mabilis yung play ng Perpetual, mabagal yung play ninyo. Kung mabilis ang play ng Perpetual, kailangan bilisan nyo yung depensa nyo.
Yeah.
At huwag nyo madaliin yung atake
Still
nyo.
at the serving deck, Sai
And,
Almeñana.
ano mo, Martin, natatapatan nila yung bola eh. Nakukuha nila yung mga palo. Hindi lang nila, dahil nga nagmamadali, hindi lang nila nadidepensahan ng maayos.
That's right. Off-speed hit on the retake for
Shot
Rica
good,
Blanca.
Rica Blanca. Substitution
allow them
for
to cut
Mapua. Number 2
the
out,
lead
number
down to
12,
2.
Chuchay
Let's see
Tambasakan in.
what happened
7
here.
out. Number 14,
Dalawa
Francesca
yung
Estebanin.
sumalubong doon para sa Perpetual. So double sub. Tambasakan
Yep.
and Esteban
Chuchay Tambasakan
now
to
on the
serve.
floor for Mapua.
Para meron silang mas mataas na blocker.
Palacio off the quick. Set point.
Yep.
Perpetual.
And same reaction na
That's what
nagaling ni Coach
Ernell
Aying.
at set point.
He was expecting na
Serving for the set.
nasa right
Shai
positioning,
Omipon.
first position ng defense.
Overpass to. Pero nagawa ng paraan. Ooh!
That's a block point off the hands of
The ball
Garcia.
was on its way out. But Freyan got it at the last second.
Yeah. Oo.
Eto, lalabas na.
Yep. Frustrations para sa Mapua University. But we still have third set, Martin.